Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So my favourite working from home products for 2021. I've actually done a video like this last year, which was actually fairly popular. I was quite surprised. You guys seem to enjoy it. A lot of the stuff that I have here as well, I've already covered on the channel in some other videos. So people who are already subscribed to the channel and have watched previous videos, some of this stuff will be familiar, but I know there are a lot of new viewers to the channel, so welcome. I'll of course leave links to everything down in the description. Let's get into it. So the first product is my Ergonofist Desk. This is a sit and stand desk. It's finished in a walnut finish. It has some memory functions as well when it comes to sitting and standing. And yeah, this desk is absolutely incredible. The walnut finish is so high quality, so premium, and it has a very clean and understated design. It's great in my office. Like I said, it's a sit and stand desk, so I can use it whether I'm standing up, whether I'm sitting down, depending on how I'm feeling at the time. I absolutely love this desk. The finish of it, the look of it, it is brilliant. So with a lot of us working from home, I think it's very important having a super high quality microphone. I use the Shure MV7, and studies have actually shown that having a high quality microphone makes you sound more intelligent, which is interesting. This microphone gives you a sort of podcast like sound quality. There's also no special cables needed. It just connects up via USB. Very easy to set up. Anyone can use it. You don't need any special equipment. Just plug it directly into your computer and you'll have amazing sound quality from the get-go. So this is just a quick test of the Shure MV7 to give you an idea of what the sound quality is like. You can see that it's more of a sort of podcasty like, very professional, very clean sounding. I really enjoy this microphone. It's great. Leather desk mat. So full disclaimer, this is a desk mat from my own store, but it's just a great way to add some luxury to any desk setup. It has a super clean and minimal design, and it's also made from full grain leather, so the best grade of leather that you can get. It's great for using your mouse on, as well as protecting your desk from any scratches. The Logitech Mx Master 3. So I personally still prefer the Magic Mouse, but the mouse that I always recommend to other people is the Logitech Mx Master 3. It's designed to be very ergonomic with the way it sort of fits in the hand. It's wireless, of course. It charges via USB-C, so easy to charge, and you can charge it at the same time whilst using it, unlike the Magic Mouse. You can connect up to 3 devices with it, with easy switching. There's tons of buttons all over, and you can also customize what the buttons do with the software that's provided. A great all-round mouse, something I definitely recommend to anyone looking for a more premium mouse. The 12 South laptop stand or dock. So I've gone from an open laptop to a docking laptop. Either option is great. I dock it because I've realized that I don't actually use the second screen, my laptop screen, that much. I just use my primary display. So I have it docked up, sort of hidden away, not hidden away, but sort of tucked away so that it's not taking up a lot of room on my desk. But having it on an open stand is also great if you prefer to have 2 screens and you want to make the most of those screens, whatever works for you. The 12 South dock and laptop stand are great. The Anker Thunderbolt dock. So I recently purchased this and I've been very impressed. It's quite small as well, quite a small little package. And I love the design of it. I feel like it's actually quite good looking. It has an array of ports, and on the back you have 2 Thunderbolt ports, with one of them being able to provide 85 watts of power for charging your laptop. It has 3 standard USB ports. It has a HDMI port, and it also has a gigabit Ethernet port. And on the back there's of course your power in as well. On the front you have your on-off switch. You have a micro SD card reader and a SD card reader. The SD card reader supports UHS 2, so you can get super fast transfer speeds. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's 2 USB-C ports, with one of them being power delivery, and a final USB port. I'm very impressed with this thing, and I think it's definitely worth the money. The Native Union wireless charger. So I like to have this charger in front of me on my desk, and obviously it's a great way to keep my phone charged, but also see it at the same time if I get any notifications or calls. I think it has a super classy design, and it uses great materials. The top of it is leather, and the rest of it is made from aluminium, and there's also a USB port to power it. Great wireless charger, highly recommend it. Office chairs. So the 2 office chairs that I have are the Ikea Marcus office chair and the Herman Errand chair. The Ikea Marcus chair is ideal for anyone who's on a budget. The cushion, the bit you actually put your butt on, is very comfortable, very soft, and the mesh back is also comfortable. Also has a headrest, which is great if you like to sit back. It can easily recline too, so if you want to sit back and relax, you can do that in this chair. Highly recommend this chair for anyone on a budget. The Herman Errand chair is definitely more of a premium option. It's a top of the line chair for anyone who's willing to spend the money, and it is pretty much a tank. It's designed to be super ergonomic and comfortable, especially for people who like to sit behind a desk for hours on end. It's great for your back. It's just ideal for anyone who wants the best and is willing to spend quite a bit of money. The analog productivity system. So for anyone who likes to have to-do lists and prefers to have them written down on a piece of paper, this really is a great option. So you get these super high quality cards where you can write down each of your tasks. You get a task signal system, so you can tick off things as you go. And then once you actually have your list, you can mount it to the front of it because it comes with this really nice walnut stand. I think there's also another sort of material that you can choose. I have the walnut one here, and yeah, you can just have it right there in front of you, always in front of you on your desk, so you can always see the task that you need to get done. This is great for those who prefer a proper physical system, a written down system, rather than having it on your screen, sort of hidden away behind other windows, because it's always in front of you, it's always there, you can always see it, and you're never going to miss any task that you need to get done. The Bezos Desk Vacuum. So, I think that's how you say it, I think it's Bezos. So this odd looking thing is a desk vacuum. I'm not going to turn it on because it is very loud, that's the only downside of it, it is pretty loud. If we take the cover off, it has an opening up the top where it sucks in any dirt and whatever else, and the dirt just sits in here. You can actually just take this off like so, and all of your dirt sits in here. It's great. But they also provide some attachments. So there is this attachment here, which goes on the front, like so. So you can get into hard to reach places, and it also has a brush. But then you can also slide it down so you can just get the sort of pointy end getting into sort of any nooks and crannies, which is great. But it also doubles up as an air blower because the air comes out of the back and they give you a tube. So you can hook it up to there and then use this to blow any air, sort of blow any dust away. This is great for just keeping my desk clean. I like to keep my desk clean. I like to keep my area clean, dust free, vacuum up any dirt on my desk. It's also ideal for anyone who likes to eat at their desk. If you drop crumbs or whatever else, this is great. Next up is this headphone stand that I got recently for my AirPods Max. Whatever headphones you use, it doesn't really matter. But this is great, this headphone stand. I really like it. It has a nice matte black aluminium finish to it. And then the top of it has a walnut finish as well to sort of just support your headphones. Really great premium looking headphone stand, and it's also very affordable. And then the final product, which is a bit different, is my Muji Aroma Diffuser. So if you like having a nice smelling office space, living room, whatever it may be, this is a must buy. You just fill it up with water and then any sort of fragrance oils that you have, and then you can set a timer for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. There's also a light built in, and I absolutely love my one. I use it a lot. It's just nice to have a nice smelling office, a nice smelling house, and you can adjust and change the scents whenever you want, and it's also very affordable. I also want to thank Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Private Internet Access is a leading VPN provider with over 30 million downloads. It's the only premium VPN that offers complete transparency with their source code. It's their way of saying they have nothing to hide. There are no logs, so they don't store any records or data about their users. It has powerful encryption and uses trusted and open source VPN protocols like OpenVPN and WireGuard to keep your data safe. There's a DNS based ad blocker, so if you prefer to browse the web without any ads, trackers or potential malware, they offer that also. Split tunneling allows you to set up custom rules so you can turn the VPN on or off depending on the website or app. I personally like to use Private Internet Access to unblock content on services like Netflix and Amazon, especially because in the UK we don't get access to everything, so I can just change the country to the US or some other country and get access to other content I wouldn't otherwise be able to access. I also generally like to use it to protect my identity online and keep my data encrypted. Private Internet Access is available on all platforms including Mac, iOS, Windows and Android. The subscription covers you for 10 devices at a time, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. By using my link in the description below, you can get complete digital privacy for only $2.08 a month for 3 years, and you also get 2 months completely for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave links to all of the products in the description below. I'll also leave links to more budget options. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe for more.